Now, friends, you learned about your whiteboard marker. Now you're going to learn about your whiteboard and how we're going to use it. So, first, we are going to look at our whiteboard and we see that it's kind of shiny. So, we know that we don't want to write with anything else. We can't write with a pencil. We can't write with a permanent marker. We can only use our whiteboard markers to write on our whiteboard. Makes sense. I heard the word whiteboard and whiteboard marker, and that means they go together. So when Miss Donnelly gives you words like this, or sometimes you have your name tag like this, that means she wants you to copy the words that are here and put them on your whiteboard. So we learned how to take off and put it around the back, and now I'm ready to write. So Miss Donnelly has her name tag, and I like to put it on top of my board so I can see it. And I see that my lines on my name tag are the same like the ones on the board. So on our whiteboard, we want to try to use these lines and stay on them. We don't want to write all over the place. We want to write just like we see here onto here. So this first letter Miss Donnelly sees is an M. So the first line, I'm going to copy that letter M. I go nice and slow and look at this. Go up and then. So now I did a letter M, just because it's the same as the word as I have up here. Now I'm going to write nice and slow, the same word that I see up here, down here. If maybe sometimes I forget how to spell, I just have to look up here. That's why Miss Donnelly gave you these special words. So watch how Miss Donnelly writes nice and slow. And I never go past the line if the other one isn't past the line. Oops. Nice and slow. Nobody's racing anybody. We are just having fun writing. Now, do those look like the same words? Does that look like the same as here too? Yes, that means I copied it. Good. Copied it. Right. So when Miss Donnelly says copy the word, she means look at this word and do the same one every line. So you can see that Miss Donnelly put little dots so she knows where to start. She doesn't just write it one time. No, there's still more room right here. So I need to practice more and more and more, because we know the more we practice, the better and the more perfect writers that you're going to be. Watch here. I'll write it again. Am I finished? No! Let's count how many lines I still have to write. Ready? 1 blank line and 2 blank lines. Here we go. And last time, because there's one more line. Am I finished now? Yes, I am. Good. Now, my friends, you did all of this work, and I'm so proud of you. That means you followed rule number 3, and you worked hard. Good. Now, I'm going to show you how to erase. Good. Erase. Good. Hold on.